Well, guys, this is day three. It's something that I thought about doing. It's a live trading room, to get people equipped and let them be familiarized with Forex, because I mean, this is available for everybody is to understand what the Forex is about and getting involved in trading. So if you're brand new and you basically want to get some training done, I have launched a training program, a crash course. It's only costing 500 TT, and this is straight as from beginners all the way to the advanced level. It's 6 sessions, and we get it straight to the point, guys. There's a lot of value you're getting if you're brand new to trading. Definitely check out the course. My number is on the screen. However, if you're experienced and you don't have time to trade and you want to participate in a copy and paste program, because right now today we close off trades that we was monitoring for 4 months, right? And we gain, I could comfortably say that we gain 40% profits on the account. And this is copy and paste, meaning that we do the work, we send the signals to the channel, and you just copy and paste it to your broker and leave it. How the trades are, it's swing trades. It's designed to either go and hit the stop loss or hit the take profit levels. So within a 4 month period, 40% growth we got on the account. So if you want a video on that, we can show you the trading history. We have that available as well. So this is for persons, yeah, you do at the time, they want to get a little signal during the course of the US session. And that is roughly about 6 to 12 p.m. around there every day with updates coming out Monday to Friday. Definitely check out the copy and paste program. So you could always reach out to me for some more information on that, right? So I decided to do this workshop online, I should say, showing individuals, what's going on, and the ground floor is open as well, meaning that you all could send a little feedback, a review, in your views as well, based on what peer you're looking at. Because what we're going to do is basically look at some trading peers, analyze it, and hopefully get into the particular pair. Right now, you're watching on the screen here. This is a USD CHF, which I called yesterday, right? Yesterday, I called the USD chef, and even today's Thursday. So Tuesday, we basically analyzed the USD CHF pair, but it came to a retest level and it took us out, it took us out, and it would have been Wednesday, around Wednesday or Thursday there, we get back into the USD CHF, right? And as you can see right now, it's rolling in profits. It's two take profit, two levels I'm looking at here, and a TP3, right? So I see right now we have three persons on the call. I see Avinash, nice to have you, bro. And we go a long way back. I know Avinash a while now, and I really am glad to have you on the call. Right? I see someone by the name of SD. Right? SD, nice to have you on the call. I was hoping that more persons would have come on the call here, but I guess it is via the timing on the nights. Right? So Avinash, you was asking about the Octa FX and not seeing Trinidad as a country.
Yeah, my partner. Because I sent him the link today to sign up with it, but you say you're not seeing Trinidad.
Yeah, a lot of people I don't know if they're using a phone or something. You was not the
Mm.
first person. About two or three persons was getting problems to locate Trinidad. So
Because I signed up for that a long time and
that
I
is
have
it.
it.
I sign up at Okta. I don't have any problem because I withdrawing from Okta right through, you
Yeah.
understand? And I get my
No
withdrawals
for now.
fast.
No for now they will join. Yeah. They
So
just withdraw.
um what you could tell
And
them
plus
to do is
you
probably
know you get bonus too.
nah boy, stay away from that bonus way. Right now you see
No,
11 bonuses available on this account.
no,
I
here we're going with the bonus.
yeah,
Say you put in $100, right?
right,
They will give you a bonus. They will give you the bonus together with your money, right? To
right,
trade. But
yeah.
if you will join, they will just minus the bonus. That is all, and you'll get your money where we join. That is all.
But you just have
I do
to
it.
reach a certain
But
target,
no,
the
no,
bonus.
no, 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 no target, no target. So when you reach a thing, you could just withdraw and leave them with the bonus and put back in your money again, you get back your bonus again. You understand?
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay. I
And
check.
but you say if the say you continue trading, the
Yeah.
bonus go get released for you, so you had a free money. But you could withdraw anytime your money.
Oh,
Yeah, you got
okay.
bigger leverage to trade now
Yeah, yeah,
with
yeah.
the
Everything is
bonus.
leverage.
You
Yeah.
understand? So you could
I
get
didn't
bigger
play
leverage
that boy
size.
because I was reading the fine details and I was saying that,
Nice. I used to do it
oh, you just do it. Okay. But,
yesterday. I withdraw again. Yeah,
but that is
and I
good
leave
to
them with
know,
the
man.
bonus.
That is real
Yeah,
good. Good. Well, I mean, Okta, I real satisfied with the performance from Okta because they
yeah,
have
the real quick to withdraw.
a lot of perks on this brokerage website, boy. You know,
Yeah,
they just tell you how much you're risking on the trade. First off, you don't have to check
yeah,
pips and thing anymore. Everything is conveniently there. And
yeah.
the withdrawal is fast. I
Plus,
mean,
there's on the app there are strategies too.
oh yeah.
There's
Well, one
yeah
thing
on the
I
app.
learned about boy, you see, trading this market, you have to develop your own strategy. You understand? Because when you're following X, Y, and Z, it has big
Hmm.
problems. One might
Yeah,
win, next one might lose, next one might, something up.
yeah,
Yeah, so based on my that's why I doing the training for persons because when you follow
yeah.
20 people and thing, boy, it doesn't really work out. It
And
don't.
excessive pay fast too.
Right, right, right. I comfortable with the Octa man, so
Yeah,
I
Octa nice too.
nice man.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
as the you could unmute your microphone, you brand new to trading or you have some experience. Yeah, SD, you're unable to speak on the microphone, or are you able to speak? All right, I'm not sure what's going on there, but that's okay. So we wanna check out some of the trades. But yeah, Avinash, I was looking at gold. Actually, I was in a gold about 2 days ago, right?
Hmm.
And I was at this high here where I literally post the video on TikTok showing
Hmm.
people I did the analysis up here at this point, right? And
Uh-huh.
the markets, hey, the markets are something else. I got in the trade here, right? This what this wick is. That was my
Yeah.
one of my confirmations here to sell it, right? I was
Uh-huh.
selling it at this level down here,
Yeah.
right? And I wasn't even taking that all that play there. I was looking at half of this
Yeah.
kind of there.
Yeah.
And
Not greedy, you see.
yeah, because the markets could turn, it could turn
Boy,
quickly.
for real, boy. Market well funny, boy. Yeah.
Yeah. So I basically got in the trader and
Yeah.
11 p.m., doing the lot sizes was important because the account was $92 and
Yeah.
trading at 0.02. Based on the
Yeah.
stop loss I was working with, it was about $32, boy, on
Uh-huh.
0.02. Yeah. So I reduced it to 0.01 and it was $17, right?
Yeah.
And that is a lot to be risking on a $92 account on one pay. So boy,
Yeah.
I go in the trade started going profit, 80 pips in profit. You understand?
Yeah.
And my target is $16. I say, I'm gonna
Yeah.
leave it for $16. So when I see it reach eight dollars in profit, I decided because it's 11 o'clock in the night, I decided to bring my stop loss to the entry and go to sleep now. Is either it hit the entry or
Yeah.
it go the intended direction. But the
Yeah.
market, what you happen here? This was about 11. It come back up here because I got in here and it hit the entry and then
Yeah.
drop.
That always happen too, boy. I telling you,
So,
better if you don't, you're scared underneath your entry when they go down.
yeah, no, remember for you not to have any kind of losses in the account if the trade going in a direction. A lot of
I said,
traders just bring the stop loss to entry, you know?
yeah.
Could I
But
say that?
better if you leave it before your entry a little bit. Lost about $3-4.
Yeah, Avinash?
Yeah, he cut off there.
Yeah, I don't know. Some network, we might have bad weather outside. So it
Yeah,
could be that too. But what I was saying now is
yeah,
that, boy, sometimes the markets just play with your brains, boy. You understand?
yeah, boy.
And
For
you
real.
know, if there was monetizing the trade and it hit your entry, you could tell yourself, boy, you're going back in that trade, you're going to run it back down. Okay, you feel like you're
Yeah,
coming to a high now. And this is
yeah,
the market manipulation too, eh? Because sometimes you
yeah,
might think to yourself, you go in a direction and turn,
yeah,
next side. So I didn't make no money. I lost about 2 cents,
yeah, yeah,
So I said, boy, next time, and watch
yeah,
how this market drop now. Because what my
yeah.
strategy, I just look for the highest entry, bro. I mean, I
Oh,
doesn't win all, but when
yeah,
I win. You understand? It
right.
drop in towards my
And
direction.
and today buy plenty too.
No, well, it had a confirmation to buy today, right? But I didn't take it. Let me tell you why I didn't take it. And it happened about 9 o'clock this morning, about 8,
Yeah,
9. The reason why I didn't take that trade is because
9:30.
it's the news by it had a
Yeah,
red
yeah,
morning and it's
yeah. Had
USD
two news
news.
today. Yeah,
Oh, watch out the red folders here.
for
Really?
real.
And when I check it now, 10 o'clock to see where the goal going, the move down play. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
not 11 o'clock, it done reach to my target here. And it
yeah.
don't show the wick day well. You don't know when you get a wick on your target, it's turn.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? Based on whatever strategy traders are working with, right?
Yeah,
So, boy, the goal, I mean, it respected my analysis. I mean, it worked out good. It worked out good. And this is the thing with trading, boy. You have to develop that mindset and you have to stick with your plan. You have to have a trading plan and you
yeah.
stick with it. You don't run down the markets now. Because when you run down the
No,
markets,
yeah,
that's when our market going and take you out. You know, so it
yeah.
might take
Make
out
a
your whole
certain
account.
percent for the day
Yeah,
and
yeah,
come out. Your mind
yeah.
has to be strong though.
You have
Your
to be,
mind has to be strong.
yeah, boy. You have to be there.
Yeah,
So I was
for real.
looking at a couple of the US pairs, on the first day that I started doing this online kind of workshop experience for persons
Yeah,
trading. Basically, I was looking at USD, JPY, look how this thing climbed, right?
yeah,
But I wasn't too comfortable because the USD was showing some kind of signs that it wasn't really sure if it was, developing a momentum or keeping at a standard thing now. So
yeah,
this is how the USs affect all the pairs. If the goal selling, right, that mean the USD it build momentum then. You
yeah,
understand? And that affects all the USD pairs. Yeah, USD JPY, that could
yeah.
be base now. So that buying, you understand? You look for buy opportunities with the USD JPY. And the
Right.
USD card, all these pairs could be affected. Watch out this entry here. This was a USD card I was looking at, right?
Yeah,
And look this go on. So once one happen, the rest of pairs go follow. You understand? USD CHF, look this going up too. You understand?
yeah,
You have NZD USD could be selling, right? All the
yeah,
pairs with you, what is your GBP USD? This thing sell out. You understand?
yeah.
Because of that US dollar being in that
Hmm.
momentum and value. So you see how
Right.
powerful our USD players be? All,
Yeah,
all, bro. Look, Euro USD gone. You understand? Look, but Bitcoin on the other hand, Bitcoin is at the front ball game. Bitcoin
yeah,
beating
boy.
USD. Boy, this
Yeah,
market has moved. This particular one has moved different, boy.
for
Really,
real.
really volatile. Right?
Yeah,
The USD selling, some pairs I was looking at last night, the AUD card, right? Look at these markup I did here. Watch out these
yeah,
entries now. The thing started to sell
yeah,
out. But I wasn't comfortable last night
yeah,
because look this for instance. This markup here hit the stop loss, right? And this could be related to the Forex news on the red folder that took place
right.
last night. So I learned something real important. You don't play with red folder news.
For real.
You wait until it finished. That's why I didn't enter them US PS in it. because I
Yeah.
there was plenty red full that boy, and the thing went in the favor today. You
Hmm.
understand? So today was a
Yeah.
real good trading day, and most of the pairs that I was analyzing played off. They played off really
Right.
well, right? This one had the stop loss that I was looking at, and this is something I learned too during my years of experience with this. You see
Yeah.
correlation and correlated pairs, boy. You
Mm-hmm.
don't play with them thing, boy, because
Hmm.
it is make you hype up that you're winning. Let me say as an example, let me look at a correlated pair, right? GBP AUD and GBP NZD, right? Euro AUD, right? And well, I say Euro NZD already, right? So that's
Yeah.
about three correlation there. Like three different trading pairs there, right? If one go in one direction, the rest of them just follow. And you're seeing that happening here. Euro NZD, Euro AUD, GBP
Yeah.
AUD, right? And it have GBP NZD as well. So like four, right?
Yeah.
Now, you do a markup on one and you're going in the trade, whether to buy or sell, right?
Yeah.
Now, plenty traders just do this, eh? They go in the rest. Because they say if that one go in, the rest go follow. Boy, sometimes what has happened, the rest go follow, you know? Sometimes,
Mm-hmm.
sometimes all of them turn. You might be lucky to get some profits.
Yeah.
But if you leave it and it turn out, you could be in a major loss there. Because you
For
open
real.
four pairs that go in the same direction. And that
Yeah.
going on into loss. So yeah, it's a mindset thing now, and that's where you have a trading plan and journal
Yeah.
everything. Because if that experience give you loss, you don't want to do that in the future. You
Yeah.
understand? You just take one pair and you enter the trade. Either it hit the stop loss or you take profit. You understand?
Yeah.
And
For
they call that a trade, you know. It's either you win or you lost there. So
yeah.
today's Thursday. I mean, you're not really supposed to be trading heavy because the market's going on close tomorrow. Right?
Yeah.
I seen AUD here. Let me just take a quick look at AUD. So AUD 1, 2, 3. I see three here, but yeah, boy, AUD looking okay, man. Let me see.
Mm-hmm.
Um, let's just look at this AUD quickly here. All right. Nah, boy, that could still climb, boy. That,
ABGPY.
yeah, that could climb until it reach to the past week on the high, you know.
Oh.
And I see this happen plenty time. Men just run long trade, and the traders go
Yeah.
in the opposite direction because they're not watching what happened in the past now. You
Yeah.
understand? It already break a resistance area here,
Mm-hmm.
right? So it looks good. It looks good. Let's see how much pips we're looking at if it plays off into the favor. Yeah, you could get a nice 30 pips drop on this way. A nice 30 pips drop. A nice 30 pips. But the thing about it, your stop loss would
Yeah.
have to be higher than our week on the past because most of the time what has happened, it could continue a movement upward and
Yeah.
it could touch that week on the past or even go a little higher and then drop. You understand? So I see it happen plenty time. Like, you don't play you don't play no superhero and go in the trade because you see it at a high and you say, boy, well, I'm going in the trade day, you know?
Yeah. For
But
real.
it looks good, it looks good. Fast selling opportunity. Uh
Yeah. For reversal. I'm
yeah,
watching it.
yeah, AUD. So it's something I could
Yeah.
watch, man. I don't have any news. Let me see if it have any news tomorrow. AUD JPY does have a major influence in the market too, you know? The
Mm-hmm.
JPY news. So
But
basically
but but yeah. The spread on Octa right now real big too, boy.
On that AUDJPY,
Yeah.
0.5 or something or what?
On that way.
I'm out. Yeah, I'm gonna confirm that. AUDJPY.
Yeah.
No,
Was
boy, it's not so bad. It's 2.1.
mm, on that how
Yeah. Probably you're looking at a 1 minute time frame.
yeah, 1 minute.
Yeah, nah. Yeah.
The guy
Look at
reversal only 1 minute there.
it started drop already.
Yeah, it's at a job because it went up and it pulled back and then it went back up to retest and it started to go down. Only 1 minute.
Right. So let me say dropping, right? A
Yeah,
target could be this is something you could just observe. You don't want to take the trade, right?
yeah,
The target could be yeah, about 35 pips away.
yeah.
35 pips comfortably, 96.660 is a good target for the AUD And again, we get a nice
Mm-hmm.
confirmation there too. But
Yeah,
if I had to take this trade, I would want my stop loss to be above that wick on the pathway.
on the top there.
Yeah, while we sleeping, bro, I telling
Yeah,
you, the market could be turning. And you
for
sleeping,
real.
you don't know what's going on. And
Yeah,
it can come and touch you and that's jump. You understand?
that's
So
how it is. For real.
yeah. It looks okay, and I mean tomorrow don't have any news, the red folder, so Friday should be good. Is that
Yeah.
JPYPS, so most of the movement gonna happen from now to about 3, 4 o'clock in the morning tomorrow now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, if that JPY flip there and it build momentum, that could be a good thing, you know. So
Yeah.
let's just say for observation purposes, we go into the ADJPY on Opta, we select new order. We change
Mm-hmm.
the lot size to 0.05 sell, and we're gonna put the coordinates for the ADJPY. Take profit level could be 96,660.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let me see. So this is the only one I've seen currently, but this is what I look at so far. Um,
Yeah.
the entry for this is basically 97.034. The take profit level to be 96.660. I would want personally my stop loss if I take in a trade, I would want it to be 97.544.
Mm.
97.544. Right? That's just me because I would want it to go above the previous.
Yeah. But it's going down plenty.
It started. No, we still have time, man.
Yeah.
So let me just see. Let me just see if it worth it. If it worth it, right? So I'm going
Yeah.
into my Opta now, and I'm gonna put my take profit levels. Let's see what our TP can look like. Right, $12.13.
What 0.01?
Nah, that is if
Oh,
I'm doing 0.05, right?
yeah.
My stop loss, let me see. I know my stop loss is gonna be high because I put it about 50 pips, $18. You know that's not a bad call, bro. I feel
Uh,
like that mean I'm risking 1777 on the trade, right?
yeah.
So let me just check some confirmations quick here again. We could still get in this trade and make out 30 pips. Understand? Right. Let me just pull this here. AUDJPY, right? We're looking to sell AUDJPY. All right. It still could go up, boy. It could still go up. Everything I
Uh,
in here, it could still go. It could go up to 97.27. You know what I'm saying?
yeah.
If this candle closes here, it closes
Mm,
in 34 seconds. If this candle closes at a wick, that means
yeah.
respect that area here. If we get our wick there, I'll sell
Yeah.
it. And 20,
Sell it.
20. But remember, I'm risking $17 on this, so I can take the hit. Out of that money that I have there, I say only risking $40.
And what time frame you taking trade on?
Well, I analyze it on in 30 minutes.
Right. And it's taking
I
time.
feel like going and get our wick there. 2, 1, boom. Wick. I take it there, bro. Sell AUDJPY right now. I sell it for even 0.05. So I know I'm risking now, I'm risking $18.69. My target is $11.35. I take that trade because I get the confirmation I was looking for. I get
Right.
it. I get the wick. You understand? I get the wick here, and once my take profit is below this support zone, I
Yeah.
support that. But again, when we go to sleep, the market could turn. It could
Yeah.
turn. And when it turn, it could go up higher now. So if that happens now, what I could do is just bring my take profit to my entry. Because there's a high probability it could go up to a high and then jump back down to the entry price. Because
Right.
here's our resistance area, and they have a resistance area up here too. So you see what's going on here? It have 3 levels of resistance there. It have this here, 1, 2, 3. So my stop loss is above the 3. So if I see
Yeah.
it hitting it too, I could even cut the trade too if I'm not comfortable with the amount.
Yeah.
I could just cut it and say because I know I'm risking $18 on the trade now.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
this is what I'm telling people, boy, you see, you don't play with these types of um values when it comes to trading. Plenty people is trading and doesn't know how much you're risking on a trade. You know, them just going just blindly that hey, this thing might just take XYZ. But the
Yeah.
upside is actually tell you you had to put your stop loss now. And a good thing with the stop loss too, you see the stop loss is there to protect your equity. Many
Yeah.
times people is going trade and they just tell themselves that boy this thing ain't going to hit my stop loss. They would sometimes remove the stop loss and let the trade go. And it don't pass beyond the stop loss and go in the opposite direction. And that blow your account. And what is affect them more is that they had the option of putting the stop loss and coming back into the trade or next trade. You understand? So
For
you
real.
know about trade without a stop loss. You put your stop loss, okay then it hit the stop loss, that's okay. Because that's how much you was catering to lose on the trade I did. You understand? So if this
Yeah.
JPY build momentum, when I mean it flip, if it flip, right? During the course of now till tomorrow, whatever, it's going to affect all the JPY pairs, right?
Yeah.
We will be selling on AUD JPY. CAD JPY also would be selling as well. Chef JPY would be selling. So you see what's going on here? If that
Yeah. Yeah.
JPY build a momentum, you're going to get a lot of sells with JPY. Even GBP JPY could be selling. NZD JPY, which looks good too. So you see what's going on here?
Yeah.
AUD JPY, NZD JPY, correlated pairs. You understand? What's
Yeah.
happening there? They're showing signs to sell. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. For real.
So let's look at the NZD JPY.
Some
It looks really
some good
nice.
some good resistance there.
Yeah. You don't know what you're seeing there already.
Yeah.
Um, so basically, let me just do a quick analysis on NZD JPY, right? Um, if I were to enter NZD-JPY, now boy, it could still climb too, right? Yeah, this could climb. Um, yeah, this could actually break that resistance and climb, you know?
Yeah.
All right, this area here, strong rejection, yeah. So
Yeah. Support.
that could break and go right up the roadway. you have to see for you to really get in this one. You have to make sure the GPY build that momentum. You understand? But sometimes when it build the
Yeah,
momentum, it is be too late, man, to get in the trade. So you have to
for
really
real.
get in and do your analysis and hope it plays off. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
So let me just look back at AUDJPY quickly here. It's Asian session, man. Might get a drop.
yeah,
Yeah, might get a drop. So right now it's just the AUDJPY. We're looking at this sell, right? I wouldn't run them because it's correlated pairs. Remember what I tell you? You don't want to
yeah,
go in and you end up losing on the boat. You know what I'm saying? So
yeah,
right
yeah,
now,
yeah,
currently on the account, we have the USD chef running, which is almost about 20 pips right now in profits. And we have our AUD GPY on a sell, right? Catering for that $18 if it hit the stop loss.
yeah, yeah,
So that is what we're talking about. Well, I'm looking at the time, bro, and I see it 8:35. You know,
yeah,
I want to call it a session day. Got some other stuff to go and take care of. You know,
yeah, yeah,
occasionally I will be doing stuff like this every night, trying to get people involved. So feel free to
yeah,
invite someone to the group as well, man.
yeah, buddy.
All right. Yeah, Avinash, will take care. Have a great night, man. Nice
Yeah,
to have
man,
you.
you too, right?
All right,
Hi,
take care.
buddy.
All right, bye.